This is my view from the spare bedroom. Used to be my studio, and now, slowly, it's becoming mine again. Brought up some shelving from the basement, where I had a dye studio, little tiny table, and the spare bed, possibly a painting surface when it's covered with melamine. We don't know yet, but right now it can't be a painting surface because it's covered with things to do. Piles. Do you think in piles? I think in piles. This is the little place for posing pictures for Instagram and Etsy. Over here we have the face mask pattern because heaven knows we need more of those. And then that's all the not painting supplies. This is collage supplies, framing supplies. And in the other room are the sewing supplies. I began to understand why I always felt like I didn't have enough time when I had a job to go to.